How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to craft high converting Black Friday Cyber Monday offers in 2024. And the reason why you want to pay attention to this video is simply because when it comes to Black Friday, you want to think about it this way. Your customers will be receiving lots of emails from other brands, meaning your competitors are also sending emails to these people, right? So if your offer is not enticing enough, people won't open your email at all and they won't even buy from you. So you need to ensure that you're able to craft offers that will get people to, open your email, then click your email to go to your website and buy your product. So it is very important and very essential to craft high converting offers that will get people to buy from you during Black Friday. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some high converting offers we've tried for our clients before, and I'm going to be explaining why these offers work so well. So without further ado, let's dive in. And just to prove to you that this works, and I'm not just making all of this up, these are some screenshots from our Black Friday result last year. As you can see, with the first one, we got about 39% revenue from email alone. With this one, we got 54% of revenue from email. With this brand, 27% from email during Black Friday. This brand, 31% of email revenue during Black Friday. This brand here, 47%, this 29%. So these are just some of the results we were able to get for our clients last year during Black Friday. So here's the thing, just because you have a good offer doesn't guarantee success during Black Friday. So there are two things you need to pay attention to when it comes to Black Friday, Cyber Monday success. And the first one is your email deliverability, because no matter how good your offer is, if people are not receiving the emails you send to them, they won't see the offer anyways. Which basically means that people should be receiving your emails in their inbox. So you want to watch my previous video where I shared how to avoid the spam folder and ensure that your emails are landing in the customer inbox. I'm going to be leaving the video in the description. So you want to make sure that people are receiving your emails in their inbox, and also you have a good offer that will convert those people. The first one is discount. So when it comes to discount, this is the common one that everybody likes to give. But when it comes to Black Friday, you want to give uncommon discount that you don't usually give during the year. And there are lots of discounts you can give. So I'm going to be giving some examples here. And a few of them is just straight discounts. Example is like 20% off, 30% off, 40% off, which is like just direct. And the second one is 15% off items over $100. So basically what you're doing here is like you're creating like a tier for someone to be able to get some big discounts. So I use this kind of offers to create a tier for your discount and use it to increase your average order value. Another one is spend specific amount and get a specific discount. An example of this is, spend $100 to get 20% off, or spend $200 to get 30% off. Another one is buy one item at full price and save on the second item. You are using this offer to give customers a reason to buy more, right? So you're saying buy one item at full price and save on the second one. So an example of that will be 30% off on 2 items and get the third one for free. So someone can buy 2 things and they will get 30% off. But if they buy more, they can get the third one for free. Or buy one and get the second one at 50% off. The next one is free shipping. So if you don't do free shipping before, this is an offer that I believe is really going to crush it for you, because people don't normally receive free shipping offers from you. So you can do something like free shipping on all orders if you don't usually do free shipping, or free overnight shipping if you do free shipping already. So you can give free overnight shipping to people. You can also do something like free international shipping. So maybe during Black Friday, you want to sell to other countries or other regions. So you can offer free international shipping for people to buy from you. Another one is 10% off plus free shipping. So you can tie a discount to a free shipping in this case. That will also get people to buy from you. Another one is 30% off plus free shipping on orders above $150. So basically what you're doing here is you're giving a discount already, which is 30% off. But if someone bought anything above $150, they will get a free shipping on their order. This one is really, really good as well. So the next one is gift. So you can give out one of your products as a free gift or something else that complements your product. So you want to make sure that this gift you're giving to customers are something they will find valuable, because at this point, like I said, people are offering so much. So you want to make your offer stand out and make sure it's something that is valuable to the customer. So you don't want to give out any kind of gift that is not valuable to them. You can give any of your products as a gift or something else that complements your product. An example of that will be, mystery gifts. You don't even need to mention it. Just say mystery gift on every orders. Or you can also do free gift on orders above $100. So anyone who has anything above $100 will get a free gift from you. So you can also try something like this out. And the last one is post-purchase upsell. An example of that is if someone bought during Black Friday, give them immediate access to Cyber Monday deals. So let's say I come to your website, I buy something from your store, I will receive an email immediately, thanking me for my order and also saying something like, you just unlocked access to our Cyber Monday deals, right? So you're giving people access to get your Cyber Monday deals for higher discounts or the same discount as your Black Friday discount. So you're just using this as a post-purchase upsell and getting people to buy from you immediately. The second one is unlock secret deals. So you can give a secret deals to someone who just purchased something from you. So similar to the first one, which is like, thank you for your order. You just unlock the Cyber Monday deals. You can say something like, thank you for your order. You just unlock some secret deals. And you can make this deal very enticing and very cool that people will want to, buy from you again. Another one is referral. So after the initial purchase, ask them to refer a friend and get an extra 30% off of free item, and that friend also gets 30% off. So you can work this out any way you want it, but referral works very well during Black Friday. Basically, just saying like, thank you for your order. We think your friend might like something like this too. Why not give them this offer? And you save 30% off, and your friend also gets to save 30% off. So this is like a free marketing for you. And I believe you should try something like this out this Black Friday. And the last one here is one-click upsell. If you are not new to e-commerce marketing, you probably heard of one-click upsell before. And this is something that we use for our clients a lot. And we just create different kind of offers for different tier. And the simplest one that we find so far is just selling people exactly what they bought. As you can see in this example, this is a body lotion, and this is something that people will use anyway. So for them, it's like they are saving a lot, and it's valuable for them to buy more and save more. If you are selling a consumable product, this is something you should also try out. I use it to entice your customers and get them to buy from you this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So now that we've discovered high converting Black Friday, Cyber Monday offers, you're thinking, how can I do this myself? I don't have the time, I don't have the energy to do all of these things myself. This is something my agency can help you with this Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Currently, we have a Black Friday, Cyber Monday offer that we're giving to anyone who sign up with us before November. We're going to help you take care of your entire Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaign without you paying anything upfront, which basically means that you will only pay after Black Friday is over, right? And we're going to be taking care of everything for you, including brainstorming what kind of offer is going to work best for you. You're going to be planning your Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaign calendar. You're going to be creating the content, writing the copy. You're going to be doing the email design, segmentation, pop-ups, and also we're going to be setting up all the Black Friday, Cyber Monday flow. We will do everything for you without you lifting a finger. And also, you only pay after Black Friday, meaning you're going to make your money first before you even pay us anything. So if this sounds good to you and you'd like us to help you take care of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday campaigns, use the link in the description to book a Black Friday, Cyber Monday call with me, and I'll be looking forward to speaking with you soon. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Black Friday videos coming, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.